everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download free special effects for any editing source or software. Okay, so since the quality's kind of bad on this camera for bright things, I'm just going to put annotations so you guys can see. So, okay, first thing you want to do is go to Google. Okay, and then go to the search box and type in the special effects you want. For example, I'm gonna type in war sounds because I like sounds of war, I guess. So I'll type in free war sound special effects. Oh wait, no. Type in download free war sound special effects. But you don't have to do war sounds. You can do anything you want. Okay, so it comes up with a whole bunch of links. I recommend this website, has a lot of special effects. You might want to try to visit it. It's right here. Here's the annotation right here. Okay, so click on this. It's actually really good. The website, just in case you didn't catch this, it's partners in www.partnersinrhyme. I'll spell that out. It's www.partnersinrhyme.com. Okay, so here's a whole bunch. You can search it in the search box they have here. But let's see, I'll just go to one of them. And it gives you the clip before you download it. So then you know what it sounds like before you download it. Okay, so that's what it sounds like, and you know the steps to downloading, so just do that. Hopefully this helped you. I'll be making more videos. Remember to check out some of my other videos. Feel free to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.